Good morning. Just out on another morning walk with this dude and thought it would be a great opportunity to do another video. So there's a particular campaign objective that we've been finding increasingly useful, and that is the send message campaign objective. And you can really multiply the effectiveness of this particular campaign objective if you retarget your website traffic. Because you can imagine a lot of people are visiting your website but have more questions about your product or service, especially if they're shopping around. You know, they might want to know what makes you different. So a perfect way to reach out to them is by creating a ad campaign, a send a message ad campaign that's retargeting website traffic. And you also have the opportunity to pre-populate some answers to make it, pre-populate some questions to make it super easy for them to ask. And a cool thing you can do is think about, again, some objections that they might have. You know, so what are the things that they might choose a competitor over you about before you've had an opportunity to convey, you know, what makes you different. You know, for example, if it's price, you may not be the cheapest in the market, so you might start to think of questions about or position the questions in a way that gives you an opportunity to talk about the extra value that you add to justify that price.